G Mama Grows. Up early in the mornings with my plants, doing maintenance, and I'll be harvesting today. That's why I turned my camera on. Coming in to get some of these good raspberry leaves. Yeah. You know me, always steeping on some tea. Yeah. But into her, this is what I'm about to do. So let me get this out of here so I can get my leaves. Back at this raspberry bush. It's a red raspberry. I just stuck this pepper plant in here because I didn't know what kind of pepper it was, and it kept dying. Anywho, I'm here for these leaves. These are the leaves that I want. Yep. These leaves are too big, past their prime. So let me get a couple of them for my tea, and I'll be done with this plant. Yeah, cause there's some thorns on here and I ain't got that type of sticky stuff to do. So, look at them. Usually the little leaves, they don't have as many, so I can do it without gloves. But I'm good. Oh, it stuck me through the glove. So, yeah, no, I'm keeping on these gloves. And it don't look like I'm gonna get but a couple of them, like 2 or 3. But I'm cool with it. Oh, there's one over there. Okay. And eventually, I'll have enough to where I can ferment my leaves, because I'm going to start doing that. Yeah. Raspberry, blackberry, my currants. I'm about to get into fermenting, so I'll be requiring a lot of leaves. And 3 is enough for me for right now. Fresh or dry, noted. It's gonna be tea time.
I appreciate you taking your time to watch me vlog about my garden. Peace and love, my gardening comrades. I'm out.